Good morning, students. Today we are studying the chapter number 6, trigonometry. Trigonometry is related to only a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, B is a right angle. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, a side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, and these two remaining sides are called the adjacent sides of angle B. So in triangle ABC, this is a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, B is measure of angle B is 90 degree. So angle B is a right angle. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. In right angle triangle, triangle ABC, measure of angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, segment AC is a hypotenuse. Segment AC is hypotenuse, but why? Because segment AC is a side opposite to right angle. A side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, segment AC is a hypotenuse, and there are two remaining sides of triangle ABC. These sides are AB and BC. So side AB and side BC are called adjacent side of angle B. Okay. This is the introduction of a right angle triangle. Now we see the Pythagoras theorem. You have studied Pythagoras theorem, but we will recall it in a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of two remaining sides. In above triangle, AC is a hypotenuse and AB and BC are two remaining sides. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to side square plus side square. So, for this triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, Pythagoras theorem is essential for the trigonometry. But why? First, in trigonometry, we must know right angle triangle, we must know hypotenuse and the Pythagoras theorem. Now, we see the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios, or which are trigonometric ratios? Sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, cosec ratio, sec ratio and cot ratio are trigonometric ratio. Now we see one by one. This is triangle. This is right angle triangle ABC, in which B is a right angle and angle C and angle A are two remaining angles, and these two angles are acute angles. Why they are acute angles? Let the measure of angle C be theta, measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree, measure of angle C is equal to theta degree, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, sum of the measure of these two acute angles is 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle C is theta degree. Therefore, measure of angle A will be 90 minus theta. So, we will write here 90 minus theta. Okay. We will see the ratios. Now, in a right angled triangle ABC, B is equal to 90 degree. Let measure of angle C is equal to theta. Therefore, measure of angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Okay. Now, sine ratio means sine ratio is equal to, this is a hypotenuse, side AC or segment AC is a side opposite to right angle. Therefore, it is a hypotenuse. For angle theta, BC is a adjacent side and AB is a opposite side. So, side AB or segment AB is opposite side of triangle theta, angle theta, and BC is a adjacent side of angle theta. Now, sine ratio is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. This is basic of trigonometry. So, sine ratio is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So, we will write here sine theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Therefore, opposite side of angle theta is AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Next we will see cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, first we see the cos ratio. Cos ratio is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So, I will repeat. Now, I will write here cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Therefore, adjacent side of angle theta is equal to BC. This is a adjacent side of angle theta and divided by hypotenuse. So, BC by AC. Therefore, cos theta is equal to BC upon AC. Next, we will see the tan theta. We will use the same figure of triangle ABC. Now tan theta. First, we will write the tan ratio. Tan ratio is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. You have studied this, but we are recalling it. Now, let us write here tan theta, and we will find the formula for tan theta. So, tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of tan angle theta. So, opposite side of angle theta is AB upon adjacent side of angle theta is equal to BC. Therefore, we will write here BC. Therefore, tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. Now, we will see what is relation between sin theta, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. This is number 2. We will write here sin theta is equal to AB by BC. This is number 1 and this is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, we will find the relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. tan theta is equal to AB by BC. From same figure, AB by BC. We will divide numerator and denominator by AC. Dividing numerator and denominator by AC. AC means hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, AB by AC divided by BC by AC. But AB by AC is equal to sin theta and BC by AC is equal to cos theta from 1 and 2. Therefore, AB by AC is equal to sin theta upon BC by AC is equal to cos theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So we have derived 4 values. Values of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, as well as relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta from this figure. Next, we will see the sin 90 upon sin 90 minus theta, means values of sin 90 minus theta are trigonometric ratio of angle 90 minus theta. I will repeat. Now, sin ratio of angle of 90 minus theta in sin 90 minus theta is equal to, we are using the same figure, is equal to, for this angle, this is a opposite side and for this angle, this is a adjacent side. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side of angle 90 minus theta divided by hypotenuse is equal to BC by AC. Therefore, cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. I write here sin theta is equal to AB by AC number 1, cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, that is number 2, and tan theta is equal to AB by BC. We have derived this formula. Number 3 or 1, 2 and 3. This is number 4. Now, sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side of knot. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of 90 minus theta upon hypotenuse is equal to, so what is adjacent side? So AB by hypotenuse AC. Therefore cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. This is number 5. Now we will find tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. So for 90 minus theta, this is opposite side of angle 90 minus theta and this is adjacent. Therefore opposite side of angle of 90 minus theta upon adjacent side of 90 minus theta. Therefore opposite side is equal to BC by AB. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. This is equation number 6. Number tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6. And this is number 7. Now we will write the relation between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, and tan 90 minus theta. So we will see relation number 1 and this equation number 1 and equation number 6. From 1 and 6, sin theta is equal to AB by AC and cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. Means in this sin of AB by AC sin theta is equal to AB by AC number 1 and cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. From 1 and 6. Therefore, these right hand sides are equal. AB by AC, AB by AC. Therefore, sin of theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Or similarly, from 2 and 7, from 2 cos theta is equal to BC by AC, and from 7 sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Therefore, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So, we have derived this formula. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. We will see the relation between tan theta AB by BC and BC by AB. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. This is number 3 from 3. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB from 7. If we see these two formulas, we will see that tan theta is equal to AB by BC and tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. So, from 3 and 7 are tan theta is equal to, this is a BC upon AC is a multiplicative inverse of AB upon BC. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 1 upon tan 90 minus theta. We write here from 3 and 7. Okay. So, this is formula number 8. This is formula number 9. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. In this way, we can find the formula that cos theta here, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So these are basic formulas. This is a basic information of trigonometry, and if we know these all formulas, then we can solve the problems on the trigonometry. Okay. So students, please, if you are satisfied, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it also. Thank you.